Ricky.
And I'm Misu.
And this is In the Kitchen with RiKiMiSu.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Ooh, golden delicious, my fave.
Get your own.
Well, lucky for me, there's over 7,500 different apples to choose from.
What? That's bananas.
Nope, that's apples. And today we're gonna try a few to see how different they are. Let's try the Gala apples.
Ready?
These apples are actually really good. They're like the traditional type that I would probably like taste in a pie, I'm guessing. But yeah, I really like them.
I think they're really sweet and also very crunchy. I like it. I like the texture on the inside and outside. Next is the golden delicious apples.
Oh, these are my favorite.
Ready?
All right,
These are
ready?
different color.
Well, they don't taste the same. They actually taste
They
different.
actually do taste different.
Yeah.
I felt like this one had like a different outside skin. Like it was a different texture than that.
I feel like it tastes like less ripe. I don't know how apples work, but I'm pretty sure. I feel like this is like before stage. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, like
It's a little more like hard to bite. I don't know.
I don't know. I just feel like it tastes different because it might have been like picked earlier, but I have no clue. It tastes different.
I like the color.
Honeycrisp apple.
I think this apple is a lot like more sour than the previous ones we had. The other ones are like more sweet, but this one
Really?
was definitely I felt it was sour.
For me, I thought it was actually sweeter than the rest. And it was kind of like candy-ish. I don't know.
Really? You took a huge bite.
I did. Maybe the bite matters in how it tastes.
Yeah, mine was really sour. Now it's time for the Granny Smith.
These are really green.
Yeah, really. They look like plastic.
Ready?
2, 1, go. Wow.
These ones are pretty sour. I think they're
Really,
pretty...
this one was sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
So to me, these are actually more sour than all of these. Like, give me like a little kick there.
I like this one. This one's really sweet. It also looks really nice. It's really shiny.
Last but not least, we got the Fuji apples. So these ones are like way bigger than the rest of them, and they're kind of like palish. They don't have as much of a color.
They're really hard to like hold.
Yeah, so I'm not exactly sure what they're gonna taste like.
Ready?
Apple bum.
Alright, here we go. Oh, it's not bad. Oh. It's really hard to bite into because it's like really big. So I can't bite into it. But it's really sweet actually, surprisingly. I thought it would be like kind of bland, but it's not. It's actually very sweet.
For a big apple, it has a lot of flavor in it. That is a good apple.
It's very tasty. What are your favorite apples?
And what's your favorite way to eat them? Mine's apple pie. Hey, where'd the pie go?
If you want to check out some videos, recipes, or other cool stuff, go to kidsfoodnation.com.
You better be saving me some of that.